when you switch on the fan. I can barely stand. I fly, yes I fly, and lie under the table stand. Did I have dreams? Yes, I had dreams. If I were a greeting card carrying wishes to people living far, but it can't be my fate, for destiny has closed all the gates. And I wonder, could I be a newspaper, carrying good, bad and sad news every day? But stupid gust of wind pushes me to the brink. Though I haven't had a drink, I falter all the way. 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 Look at that tree which you call books. How happy they are. You're so obvious by their looks. Living together as a family. Chapter 1, 2 and 3. How close are they? Yet they are free. And I lie here lonely in a corner dark. I may not become a chapter. Let me be a bookmark.